Hey guys, Brian here, and I am at Disney's Animal Kingdom Kidani Village. This is a Disney Vacation Club resort, so you have to be a Disney Vacation Club member or know one or rent points from one to stay here. I'm not a Vacation Club member, but I know one, so that's how I'm here. You can also book these without Vacation Club points, but they are more expensive. There are sites out there where you can rent points that are generally better priced than just paying for it. But that's complicated. I won't get into all that quite now. I just wanted to show you the room that I am staying in. Now this is a standard studio room. When you're talking DVC, what that means is one queen size bed and a couch. This is a sofa bed, so if you have more than two people, you can flip this out. Now, you may or may not have seen my room tour of my Polynesian DVC studio room. Don't know if I posted that before this or after this, but if it's before this, there'll be a link to it right here. If it's after this, then coming soon. But that one, it also had a little day bed that flipped down over here under the TV. As you can see, that does not have that here. That is drawer space here. Quite a bit of drawer space here. We've got that. We've got this really awesome looking closet here that has some hangers and things. Definitely not quite as much storage space as at the Polynesian, although that room is bigger too, so that makes sense. I really like these chunky tables right here that are coffee tables. I don't know, they look very cool, as does the leg of that table. I kind of like the slightly unfinished African wood. Like a lot of the Disney rooms, not really anything particularly Disney about it, but themed very well. Like I said, all this woodwork, even the mirror here has these little lizard guys as lights. I've got a balcony here. All the rooms here do have balconies. I actually requested this room and got exactly the room I requested. I traveled here quite a bit, and of course I always use the Touring Plans room request tool. But this is the first time I've actually gotten the exact room I've requested. I've gotten close quite a bit. And I requested it because of this lovely parking lot and bus stop view. I mean, why wouldn't you want that? For real though, it's because I just have a standard view studio, meaning I wasn't gonna see animals from my room anyway. It's very, very hard to get upgrades in general, especially here because there's such a big difference between being on this side of the building and the other side where all the animals are. So if I'm not gonna get a nice view anyway, I at least want it to be convenient. And this right there, this little walkway here, connects to the building like 10 feet down here, goes straight to the bus stop. So when I'm taking the bus to the park, which I'm gonna do in a couple of hours when I go over to Epcot and then Magic Kingdom, I'm just gonna walk out there and get right on the bus. No sweat. So this is the bed. Seems pretty nice. Haven't actually laid on it yet. I didn't want to mess it up before I took video of it. Do like the headboard and the little tapestry. Love those light fixtures. As most rooms at Disney do now, has the little outlets and USB ports right next to the bed. Love that for charging stuff. There are two more of those up here under the TV if you got to charge a lot of stuff like I usually do. Just a regular closet in here, ironing board safe, nothing fancy. This is a DVC, meaning it is meant for long-term stays. So you have things like a microwave, toaster, coffee maker, the mini fridge down there, little wet bar sink, some glassware, actual mugs, paper towels, a little bit more stuff than you would get in a regular room. The bathroom here. One thing I do not like about this is only the one sink. Lots of counter space. Love that, because when I'm here with the family, there's 4 of us, we never have enough space to lay everything out. So I like that. The one sink definitely makes it tough when you're brushing teeth, things like that. Lots of little cubbies down here to keep stuff in. You can see everything down there, but I kind of like that because then when you're packing up at the end of the trip, you can at least see what you're missing without having to go find everything in drawers. Shower, pretty standard shower head. Very nice tile work. The actual tub and the shower head itself are pretty Disney standard. More cool lighting fixtures like those. And then in here, behind this separate door, is the toilet. That's all that's in here. Not even a single piece of art, which seems odd. That's a lot of blank wall space, but what are you gonna do? It is nice that I do like that it's at least behind another door, so that if someone is using the toilet, you can at least go in and brush your teeth or whatever in the morning. Well, that's it. That's the room. It's pretty nice. I like it. This hasn't had a major refurb, possibly since it opened, but at least in a while. But it's holding up pretty nice. I like the furniture in here. I really like the furniture. Not so crazy about the couch maybe, but the wooden parts of the furniture I really, really like. And it's a nice room. So hope you like the tour. Be excellent to each other.